Iceland, land of fire and ice. Volcanoes slumber beneath glaciers. The northern lights dance across the sky. It's a place of stark beauty, where nature reigns supreme. But don't be fooled by the rugged landscape. Iceland is also a country of warm hospitality, quirky charm, and surprisingly good food. Forget Paris, forget Rome. Iceland is like nowhere else on earth. It's a place that gets under your skin, that stays with you long after you leave. It's a place that will make you feel alive. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready for the trip of a lifetime. Just be prepared for the unexpected. This is Iceland, after all. Packing for Iceland is like packing for a different planet. 1 minute you're trekking across a lava field, the next you're exploring a glacier. The key is layers. Lots and lots of layers. Think thermal underwear, fleece jackets, waterproof outerwear. And don't forget a good pair of hiking boots. Weather in Iceland is notoriously unpredictable. You might experience all 4 seasons in a single day. Pack for sunshine, rain, wind, and maybe even a snowstorm. Trust me, you'll thank me later. A good hat and gloves are essential too. And don't forget your swimsuit. Iceland is famous for its geothermal pools, and you won't want to miss out on a soak in the Blue Lagoon. Iceland is a country made for adventure. Go hiking on a glacier, explore an ice cave, or descend into a volcano. Take a dip in a geothermal pool. Go whale watching, or chase the northern lights. The possibilities are endless. But don't just stick to the tourist trail. Get off the beaten path and discover the hidden gems. Visit a remote fishing village, hike to a secluded waterfall, or simply soak up the silence of the wilderness. Rent a car and drive the ring road, the scenic highway that circles the entire country. You'll be rewarded with breathtaking views of glaciers, volcanoes, and waterfalls. A taste of Iceland. Culinary delights and cultural quirks. Icelandic cuisine might not be what you expect. Forget croissants and cappuccinos. Think fermented shark, smoked lamb, and skyr, which is a delicious yogurt-like dairy product. It's not for the faint of heart, but it's definitely an experience. Wash it all down with a Brennivine, the local schnapps if you dare. For something a little tamer, try a Viking Gold beer. And don't forget to try the hot dogs. They're a national obsession. Icelanders are a friendly and welcoming bunch, but they have their quirks. For instance, it's considered rude to wear shoes indoors. And don't be surprised if you're invited to a hot tub party. It's a national pastime. Stretching your krona. Budget-friendly travel tips. Iceland has a reputation for being expensive, but it doesn't have to break the bank. There are plenty of ways to experience the country on a budget. Look for accommodation in guest houses or hostels instead of hotels. Stock up on groceries at the supermarket and pack a picnic lunch instead of eating out for every meal. Take advantage of the free activities like hiking, exploring the national parks, and soaking in the hot springs. And don't be afraid to haggle. You might be surprised at what kind of deals you can get.